The grilled cheese. We really liked the grilled cheese. Hey there, it's Jen Brown. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. So this week I am going to be doing a gluten-free diet. So I don't think I have any sort of issue with gluten, but I want to try this out just to be like doubly sure that gluten's not an issue for me. I will have all the recipes I'm going to use linked below, and at the end I'll let you know which ones are my favorites, because as I have learned, especially when it comes to baking, sometimes it's just an epic fail. And I wouldn't say I'm a bad cook, I would say I'm an average cook. I'm trying to get better, but sometimes things just don't work out. So I'm sure some of these are going to be epic failures, but hopefully some of them work. Here's a list somewhere of the recipes I'm going to be trying out, and I will go ahead and get started with those. a few days since my gluten-free week, or a little more than a week, actually ended. I realized about halfway through that it was making so much food and it was taking me so long to kind of eat the leftovers that I just started freezing all the leftovers so I could actually get through the recipes. The week turned into about 9 days, I think. So I have a freezer full of leftover food, which is cool. That's, you know, I'm a leftover queen, so that's fine with me. I have, so far for the last few days, I'm trying to slowly reintroduce gluten. So I've been kind of half eating some leftovers, half just going back to regular food that may or may not have gluten in it. I honestly have not noticed any difference, so I'm very sure now that I don't have any sort of gluten intolerance. As far as reducing inflammation, I've actually been kind of having a flare-up as far as like extra joint pain and extra inflammation for the last couple of weeks. I didn't really notice that cutting out gluten made a difference in that. If that's something that you're trying to do or something that works for you, I don't know. I haven't done a ton of research on it. If maybe that takes longer, if I would need to be gluten-free for longer. Like I said though, I have done some gluten-free stuff in the past, and for me, I didn't really notice a difference. So I'm not saying that it doesn't work. If it might totally work for you, I don't know. I think it doesn't really make a difference for me. So some of these recipes I really loved. I think my favorites were probably Alright, so you will find all the recipes from the video linked below. I might put a star by them or like categorize the ones that were my favorites. But all of them will be linked below in case you want to try them. If you try any and sort of fix my epic failures, please let me know. I would really appreciate that, and maybe I'll try them again. I hope that maybe you found some of this helpful or useful or at least entertaining. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.